This is how you connect a domain name to the GoHighlevel. Make sure your registrar is open. Let me make sure that's the domain name. NC, I gotta put the NC. You don't put it obviously if you don't put it exactly right, it's not gonna work because that's not the domain name. Now this works in an automated way with GoDaddy, Cloudflare, I think Namecheap, perhaps SiteGround. I forget, but at least GoDaddy and Cloudflare, I know. You may be pointing somewhere already. I'm just gonna click it again. Sometimes it takes twice, but oh, wait a minute, AI voice. Oh, I don't have the N on AI voice Greensboro. All right, so obviously this is not gonna work. But also, let me check and see if it's available. Oh, that's the one I got. Alrighty. Well, I guess I go ahead and get it. AI voice Greensboro and C. Pause you, unpause you. Now I want you to think about something. Well, it's okay. So if you are familiar with my frameworks, then when I talk about from local to legendary, it's still, we're just waiting on this. So might as well talk while it's going. Concept called from local to legendary. And it's about taking your local service business like AI voice Greensboro will be local. Well, Greensboro, North Carolina will be local, right? Greensboro could be local, but it's like a next level because not necessarily. There are more Greensboros than the one in North Carolina. So that's the reason that I registered it like that in the first place because even though I'm talking about Greensboro, North Carolina, why not leave it so that I'm not excluding other Greensboros? Does that make sense? So if someone in Greensboro, Georgia, Greensboro, where else did I see it? A couple more places are also trying to get local. They might come across my site and assume that it's local because it says Greensboro. And I don't have to be actually local in order to serve anyone well. It's just, you know, you might have a little leverage over the local market if I mean over the on the market than a business that's not local for those who rather deal with local businesses. So I mean that's one thing to consider as far as an easy way of playing a little bit outside the local area. Let's see what's going on over here. What have I done? DNS. Question is, did I just do this or is it already pointing somewhere else? Okay, no, I just did it. So you see, sometimes it takes more than one funnel copy. I think this is the one. So now, oh, I forgot I had that. So now if you go to, wait, I think I still have to do something. Oh, it's working. So this is a demo.
Here to help you with your AI needs at aiopportunities.com.
Stop.
What is your name?
All right. So there you have it. That's like, I still have to do the form. That's how you connect a domain name to your GoHighlevel account. If y'all want to sign up for GoHighlevel, so that AI voice is running from inside the GoHighlevel platform, and you have chatbots and a lot of other different services that you can offer or use yourself as a small business or an entrepreneur or a marketer. But the reason I made that landing page is because I'm using it for other small businesses to provide a service to other small businesses. And if you're interested in getting into GoHighlevel, learning how to do all this stuff, then there will be a link in the description. It is an affiliate link. I will be compensated. It will not cost you any more. And you will be in my community for GoHighlevel, well, for small business, where you will be around other like-minded people so that, a lot of times people don't have someone they know that is engaged in doing all of this online stuff. And so it's good to be in a community of people who are on a similar path, and in cases that are along than you, and then sometimes some people who might be behind you. But the point is, all of it is internet work, and everyone moves up together, and it's a beautiful thing. Because then, what is it like to be rich alone? You don't know, do you? I don't either. But you've been involved in different things and probably turned around and came back because you were the only one. Well, you really don't want to feel like resistance in doing new things because I don't know what someone else is doing. So anyway, I don't want to talk your head off. I got stuff to do. I got friends working on this, and if you're interested, click the link in the description. Peace.